4 people have died in a helicopter crash at the U.S. military base at Fort Hood. A statement from the base said, UH-60 helicopter carrying 4 crew members crashed early on Monday evening in the northeast portion of the sprawling Texas complex. Emergency crews located the scene of the incident and reported that the 4 crew members were found dead. Officials said the crew was assigned to Division West, 1st Army, and were on a routine training mission at the time of the crash. The cause of the crash is unknown, and an investigation is underway.